explained what do you mean by quadratic equation and the different methods of solving the quadratic equation. Today I would like to explain the statement problems, how to arrive at the quadratic equation in a statement problem. So the first one is, I am going to take only some 3 to 4 sums, the most repeated questions in your exam. Is question number 6 from your exercise problem. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, then find the sides of the field. Let me draw a rectangle and let me draw a diagonal and name this. Okay, so since I have mentioned here shorter side and longer side, let me write it down. If the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, let the shorter side of a rectangular field be equal to x meter. Next, let the longer side of a rectangular field is equal to, if the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, more means I have to add 30 plus x meter. Then the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 more than the shorter side. So let the diagonal of a rectangular field is equal to 60 more than the shorter side. Now, so it is 60 plus x meter. Okay, let me write it down here. Shorter side, I'll choose this one, x meter, and this is the longer side, 30 plus x meter, and the diagonal is 60 plus x meter. Now what can I do? In a rectangle, you know that each angle of a rectangle is 90 degree. Therefore, I can take this in triangle BDC. Angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. So the reason what I will give is, each angle of a rectangle is 90 degree. Now when I have a right angle triangle, I can apply Pythagoras theorem. Applying Pythagoras theorem. Now according to Pythagoras theorem, square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Your hypotenuse here is BD. So BD square is equal to BC square plus CD square. Let me substitute the values. BD, we know that it is 60 plus x. 60 plus x whole square is equal to BC is x plus CD is 30 plus x. Now what we'll do, since this is of the form a plus b whole square, let me expand it using the formula a plus b whole square. A square, that is 60 square, plus b square, x square, plus 2 into 60 into x, plus is equal to x square plus 30 plus x also. This is also of the form a plus b whole square. So 30 square plus x square plus 2 into 30 into x. 60 square, 6 square 36 and double 0 plus x square plus 2 into 60, 120x is equal to x square plus 3 square is 9, 900 plus x square plus 3 2s are 6, 60x. Now let me bring all x square towards one side and x everything and then put it equal to 0. So x square, here you have x square, here one more x square. I can cancel this now. This is plus x square, minus x square will get cancelled. Let me take x term, 120x minus 60x, 120x minus 60x is equal to 900, as it is, it will be there. I will bring this 3600 here, minus 3600 is equal plus x square. So what is 120 minus 60? 60x. 60x is equal to 900 minus 3600. You have to subtract it. You will get it as 2700 with minus. Minus 2700 plus x square. Let me rearrange this. X square. 60x, I bring it this side. Minus 60x minus 2700 equal to 0. I think after this you will be able to solve the equation. Either you can use the factorization method or formula method or completing the square method. Whichever method you do it, you will get the answer. Question is question number 8 from your textbook. A train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. Now, we know the total distance travelled. So, what is the total distance travelled? Total distance travelled is equal to 360 kilometer. And then if the first, let the speed of the train be equal to x kilometer per hour. So distance we know and speed of the train we know. Therefore, time taken. Why are you calculating only the time? Means because they have given if the difference between this is 1 hour. Therefore, I take the time taken only. Time taken is equal to speed. Time taken is equal to distance travelled by. Time taken is equal to distance travelled by speed. In your physics, you have already learnt, na? See, speed is equal to distance by time taken. Distance by time taken. The same thing I am writing here. Time taken is equal to distance travelled by speed, which is equal to 360 by x. If the speed is increased, by 5 kilometer per hour, then time taken will be equal to 360 by x plus 5. And what we are going to write is 360 by x minus. Why are you putting minus? Means here they have given it would have taken 1 hour less. So 360 by x minus 360 by x plus 5 is equal to 1. Let us arrive at the equation. LCM for these two is x into x plus 5. Here 360 into x plus 5 minus 360 x is equal to 1. So, I'll multiply this 360 x plus 360 into 5. What do you get? 5 6 are 30, 3, 5 3 are 15, 16, 17, 18. 1800 minus 360x by x square. You are going to multiply x inside. square plus 5x is equal to 1. 360x minus 360x will get cancelled. You will get 1800 by x square plus 5x is equal to 1. Let's do the cross multiplication. When you do the cross multiplication, you will get it as x square plus 5x is equal to 1800. So, x square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. After this, you are going to solve it. Now, the last part of your quadratic equation. The last part of your quadratic equation is how to find the nature of roots of the equation. Nature of the roots of the equation. So, to find the nature of the equation, b square minus 4ac. What is b square minus 4ac? b square minus 4ac is your discriminant. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots are real and distinct. I think you know what do you mean by distinct. Distinct means the different roots you have. Next, b square minus 4ac is less than 0. The roots are imaginary or you can tell it as no real roots. Roots are imaginary or no real roots. Now let me solve some of the problems based on this. Children, if you are happy with my coaching, please subscribe to my channel and try to share it to your friends as many as possible. Now the first one, find the nature of the roots of the following. The first sum is 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. You have to find the nature of the roots of the equation. So, I require B, A, B and C. Let me write it down. What is A? A is 2. The coefficient of x square is your A. Coefficient of x is your B. That is minus 3. And the independent term is your C. Let me write it down. B square minus 4AC is equal to minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 5. So 3 square is 9. Minus will become plus only. Minus 4 to the 8. 8 5 is 40. 40 minus 9 minus 40 will become minus 39. Oh, you are having minus. Minus, is it less than 0 or greater than 0? Yes, obviously it is less than 0. When you are getting b square minus 4ac less than 0, how are the roots? There are no real roots. The second one, 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Let me write it down. A is equal to 3 minus, B is equal to minus 4 root 3 and C is equal to 4. Let me write it down. B square minus 4AC is equal to minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 4. Minus 4 into 4 is 4 square 16. Root 3 whole square will become 3. Minus 4 3s are 12. 12 4s are 48. 6 3s are 18. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. So 48 minus 48 is what? 0. When b square minus 4ac equal to 0, what do you get? Roots are real and equal. Then let me go for the third one. The third sum is 2x square. I have have chosen this 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. So what is my A? A is 2, B is equal to minus 6, C is equal to 3. B square minus 4AC is equal to minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3. 6 square is 36 minus 4 to is 8, 8 3 is 24. 6 minus 4 2, 3 minus 2 1. Okay, you got the answer as 12 plus 12. Plus 12 means it is greater than 0 or less than 0. Plus means always it is greater than 0. So you know if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots are real and distinct. Find the values of k. Actually this question is also the most repeated question. Sometimes in midterm also you will find this question, and also in many question papers, final exam question papers, you will find this question. Find the value of k of the first, so that they have two equal roots. So 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. You have to find the value of k, and they have given that they have equal roots. Let me write down. A is equal to 2, b is equal to k, c is equal to 3. b square minus 4ac is equal to k square minus 4 into 2 into 3. This is k square minus 4 to is 8, 8 3 is 24. Now they have given the roots are equal. So condition for the roots to be equal. Condition for the roots to be equal is what? b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. So I have got b square minus 4ac as k square minus 24 is equal to 0. So k square is equal to 24. K is equal to square root of 24. What is square root of 24? 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3. So this is 2 square into 2 into 3. K is equal to square root of 2 square, I know it is 2. And for the other 2 you don't have. So 2 root 6. The value of k is 2 root 6. And one thing you have to remember, whenever you are removing the square and you are putting the square root, you should write plus or minus. So 2 plus or minus